I always start off with the oscillators. The McClellan oscillator is one tool I use. When we get up to a level of 200 to 250 on the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange oscillator, on the positive side, it's telling me that we're pretty well overbought, that we're looking for a turn back down. And that's really what happened a couple of weeks ago before we got a nasty sell-off back down. So, and on the flip side, when we get to like a minus 200, minus 300 reading on the oscillators, it tells me that markets are pretty well oversold and washed out, that we're looking for I call it a whopper of a rally to come back with these markets. And that's where we headed towards the end of May. Then we had the big snapback rally, and here we are. But currently, right now, we're modestly overbought. I also take a look at the put call ratio and what the trends are on that. I really basically look at the 10-day moving average of the put call ratio, and that tells me whether we're overbought, oversold. And finally, I'm looking at new highs versus new lows. And when that's trending up in the higher levels above zero, that gives me a good indication of the trends of the market, and we can get to an overbought, oversold reading based on that. For the most of 2022, we've been oversold, and those readings have been negative, but we just started to turn positive again. So something encouraging.